In Smithtown, New York, homeowners face the challenge of keeping their homes comfortable throughout the year. Cold winters, humid summers, and fluctuating seasonal temperatures often mean higher energy bills as heating and cooling systems work overtime. One of the most effective ways to reduce energy costs and improve comfort is through window replacement. Modern windows are designed with advanced technology that not only enhances the look of your home but also significantly improves energy efficiency. Why old windows waste energy? Outdated or poorly maintained windows are a common source of energy loss in many homes. Over time, frames warp, seals break down, and single-pane glass fails to keep conditioned air inside where it belongs. Signs your windows may be hurting your home's efficiency include drafts near window frames that make rooms uncomfortable, condensation or fogging between panes, a sign of broken seals, rising utility bills despite no change in energy use, difficulty maintaining consistent indoor temperatures. In Smithtown's climate, these problems can make your heating and cooling systems work harder than necessary, costing you money month after month. Modern window features that boost efficiency. Replacing your old windows with modern, energy-efficient designs can dramatically improve your home's performance. Today's windows are equipped with advanced features that reduce energy loss and improve comfort. Multi-pane glass. Unlike single-pane windows, double or triple-pane designs use layers of glass with insulating gas in between. This barrier reduces heat transfer, keeping warm air inside during the winter and hot air out during the summer. Low-E coatings. Low emissivity. Low-E coatings reflect infrared heat while allowing natural light to enter. This helps regulate indoor temperatures, keeping your home cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Insulated frames. Vinyl, fiberglass, and composite frames offer better insulation than traditional wood or aluminum. They prevent heat and cold from passing through the frame itself. Advanced weather stripping. High-quality seals and weather stripping stop drafts and moisture from entering your home, ensuring your HVAC system isn't working overtime to compensate. Energy efficiency benefits. For Smithtown residents, investing in new windows pays off in more ways than one. Lower utility bills. By reducing energy loss, modern windows cut heating and cooling costs significantly. Consistent indoor comfort. No more cold drafts near windows or hot spots in sunlit rooms. Reduced strain on HVAC systems. With less energy escaping, your heating and cooling systems run more efficiently, extending their lifespan. UV protection. Many modern windows also block harmful UV rays, protecting furniture and flooring from fading. These benefits ensure year-round comfort while helping Smithtown families save money. Long-term value of window replacement. While window replacement is an investment, the long-term savings and added home value make it worthwhile. Energy savings add up. Lower bills month after month quickly offset the initial cost. Increased resale value. Buyers are drawn to homes with energy-efficient upgrades. Environmental impact. Using less energy reduces your household's carbon footprint. For Smithtown residents, the financial and lifestyle benefits of energy-efficient windows go hand in hand. The importance of professional installation. To get the most out of your new windows, proper installation is critical. Even the best products won't deliver results if they aren't sealed and fitted correctly. Precision fit. Prevents gaps that allow air and moisture inside. Code compliance. Professional installers ensure your windows meet local building standards. Durability. Expert installation maximizes the lifespan of your new windows. Partnering with trusted Smithtown professionals ensures your investment performs at its best for years to come. Final thoughts for Smithtown homeowners. Replacing old, inefficient windows is one of the smartest ways to improve energy efficiency. With features like low-E glass, insulated frames, and advanced seals, modern windows keep your home comfortable while lowering utility costs. Beyond the savings, they also add beauty, value, and durability to your home. By choosing high-quality products and professional installation, you'll enjoy long-term comfort and efficiency, making window replacement a home improvement that truly pays for itself.